Next up for self-myofascial release series, we're gonna release the upper trap. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna take a ball. This could be like a lacrosse ball, a tennis ball. It's kind of a little bit soft, but it would be doable. Here we have like a dimple ball, which is a baseball pitching machine ball. Anyway, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put that ball up against the edge of a door frame. Put your head in through the door, and then your shoulder will be against the wall here. The ball is going to be placed on the upper trap. The upper trap goes from the top of the neck down to the shoulder here. So what Dr. Sam is gonna do is she's gonna put pressure into the wall there, and she's gonna be able to roll that ball from side to side along the upper part of the shoulder, and she's feeling for any tender areas. If she finds a spot that's tender, she's gonna hang out there for about 15 to 30 seconds. Now, she can control the amount of pressure she puts in by how much of her body weight she's pushing up against the wall. If you feel like you need a little bit more, push harder against the wall. If it's really intense, let's back off just a little bit and put just a slight amount of pressure there. Make sure you hit both sides and scan for about 2 to 3 sensitive spots.